Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to put videos side by side on CapCut website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go to the URL section here and type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. That will certainly take you into this page, but if you already logged in or created your account and logging into it. But if it's your first time, you'll find another page with two options. The first option is start using it on the browser, and the other option is to download it on your PC. Of course, if you want to download it on your PC, you'll find a video on the channel how to do that exactly. You can just go and check it out. And of course, the other option, if you click on it, of course, they will ask you to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Of course, you can create your account with a Google account or a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So, of course, once you opened or logging into your account, you'll find this page from here like me, and you'll find your recent projects if you really worked on some projects, or you can just go and create a blank canvas. So from here you'll need to wait a bit until it loads. Of course, if you have it on your PC downloaded, you will not need to wait. It will be much smoother and you'll have the full features if you have downloaded. So of course, when you do that, if you want to actually put videos side to side, simply you will need to upload your videos right here first of all. So let me just go and choose some videos. Of course, you will not see which videos I'm choosing here, but I'm just going to choose two videos, and as you can see, those are going to be my videos. As you can see, it's uploaded right now. It just needs to finish the upload. So once it's actually finished the upload, I can start dragging them. Okay, it's transcoding, so let's just wait this and we will be able to use them. So I guess, yeah, it's fine now. So of course, once it's uploaded and transcoding and everything, you can just go and drag them down from here. So how can you put this video and side by side with this video? So simply go and drag the first one and go and drag the second one, and as you can see now, if you play the video, it will seem like you just made a cut into the video and will not be even obvious for anyone who watched the video. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.